Hello everyone, welcome to our brand VIP strategy. In this video I will show you how to use this strategy and place a trade. So as you can see, I opened two platforms. One is IQoption and the other is MT4, which is mostly used for forex. So you can see the candle is same. If it is in green candle, so there must be a green candle. So uh, the graph is same, and you can also use the OLM trade, export option, and pocket option, and IQ option. All are the same, and these brokers are providing a platform for forex and also for binary option. And this strategy you can use it for uh, forex and for OLM trade. So if you have a broker in account like Okta, Forex, and IC market, so you can use this strategy for Forex trading or for long-term placement. So this is the beauty of this indicator. So let me show you how to use this indicator and place the trading. You can see this red line and this red line. These are actually the support line, and these red line are actually a strong support, and these green line are also a strong support. Resistance, support, this is support and this is resistance. So as I told you that this strategy of working for both OLM trade, for both binary option and forex. So when to place the trade? So this is a very good question. So when to place the trade? So for beginner, when you use this strategy for the first time, so you must wait for this line. Okay, this line and this line. So then you should place the trade in the direction like and also you have this strong support. You can also put the trade on when there is a rejection from the support. So if there is a rejection from the support, so you can place the trade like this one. uh, there is a rejection from the support, but it is not near to this support, and you can see the next candle also there are a rejection. So this these rejection mean there is a indication for seller. So then you can place the seller for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. I prefer for if you are uh, new, so you can use 4 minute to 5 minute. And if you are used to with this strategy, then you place the you can place the trade for 1 minute. It is also a winning trade. I use it most the time 1 minute and 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. So it is very helpful. uh, Now this is a live chart you can see in both platform. If this candle, if there is no rejection in this from this support, so it's mean that this strategy will break this support. Okay, so now let's wait. This candle is very heat, but there is a rejection. So when it close, then we will see, will wait that what should we do next, next trade. uh, there is a huge rejection, so it's mean that the next candle will be red candle because there is a support, and I saw huge rejection, so it's mean that the next candle will be red. It is high chances, not 100% but high, there is a high possibility that the next candle will be red. If this candle will close a green, then we will place the sell option in a next candle. Okay, it might be a retracement. Let's wait for this candle. So what these line are show? These line are show the trending. Okay, that now you can see this curve is in downward. It's mean that the trending in the trending will be in down. Now this is very weak candle. We can see this is a retracement candle. So the next candle will be red. Let's see. So that's why I told you use 4 to 5 minutes. If you use in 1 minute, then you will lose the one trade, but you will win the second trade definitely. It is the beauty of this strategy. And if you use the 3 minute, 4 minute, then no need to follow the martingale. You will win in on first trade. So let me show you the more support. This is also a support. You can see the value, and this is the SNR level. It is also help you to place the trade. This is one is this, and the second is this. Okay, so you can see you if you do not follow the this one, if you are new, so if there is a arrow appear, then you should place the trade. But if there is this one, it is called what, dot, so do not place the trade when the dot is appear. uh, it need experience, so you are new, so do not place the trade on the appearance of this dot. So if I saw a dot here, so it's mean that the market will be in go down, but it will it need support level. So if I got this dot, it means that the candle will be in red, but it need a time. Okay, so if the next candle will if the next candle is red, so then we will be confident, we place the trade on the downward direction. So this dot is the indications. Now today is Friday, so there is a fluctuation, definitely fluctuation in market. So that's why, but we will win this trade. So these are all are the indication how to place the trade. So you can see also in IQoption platform. Now I will tell you where we find the opportunity for trade. So the one is this level. This is in our level in this one, this dotted line, and this red line. Okay, and this red line and this red major support. This one and also this one. This uh, okay. So you can see there is a rejection from this trend line, so it might be go up like we see. No, so we will find the opportunity next at this level to place a sell option. If this candle is close above this support level, it's mean that they will break this support and then we will find opportunity on this level. So if there is a rejection from this support, so it's mean that the trending will be in downward trend. It is because of today is Friday, so you can see a big candle and there is a lot of fluctuation in the market. So that's why if you use it in normally Monday, not Monday, because it is also the starting day of the trading. So the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are, you will see the market is in a good direction. So there is a fluctuation, but it is in the news time, not all the time. So we now let me tell you the other support. So whenever the arrow is appear, you can see the for at least 5 minutes the market is in that direction like this, in up direction like this, in down direction like this, in up direction, down, up, down, up, down, this one. So like this one. Now we will wait for the next arrow. So let's see when it will appear. So how to get this indicator? So I put this indicator in Play Store app, so you can find it from the Play Store app. So how to get the Play Store app link, I give you in the description of this video, so you can use it from you can get the link from description of this video. So let me show you how many indicator are used for this strategy. So the one is arrow indicator, indicator 1 2, indicate 1 2 3 4. So 4 5 6 7 7 indicator are used for this strategy. Okay, in the if you will get the three strategy combination. One is this one, like I'm using this one, uh, the 7 1 indicator, and you can in the I put the three strategies. So the other one are the combination of 9 indicator, 11 indicator. So you can use all these indicator. And I if you want to how to add this the other assets like Euro USD, GBP USD, so you can use the you can watch my video to get the answer how to use the other currency in this platform. So but I will prep but I'm suggesting the euro usd. Euro usd is a good currency and a huge currency, so you can get more signal from in this currency, so you will be in profit. So uh, mostly people selling this indicator by a huge amount like $60, $100. So I put very small amount, $25 for this strategy, and it is for, of course, for lifetime. So no need to pay again. So you should pay once time for this strategy. So you can use it for long-term trading, like for forex. So these actually this strategy will give you the upper limit, the lower limit, and also the trending direction. So it's very good strategy, and we have and very good, and it works very good, and it will give you very positive trade, a lot of positive trade, so you will be happy from this strategy. So this strategy is very powerful. You can see if there is a rejection from this level, so this is our main trending lines like this one. So the next candle will be also in green candle. There is a red candle, but there is a rejection, so this is also a green candle. So whenever you see the rejection from this line, so the next candle will be a green candle. But this is for if you will follow this line, if you use it for at least 2 to 3 weeks, then use this line. So first for the beginner, use this line, and this one, and this one, and arrow. Okay, in arrow, it's very good for you to give you a positive trade. So I think it's enough for today. uh, Unfortunately, I did not get the arrow, that's why I'm sorry for that. But I give you some basic knowledge about this, and in the future I will give you more knowledge about this strategy, how it is work and how we use it, and this. So thank you for watching.